Tayo ng Chow Ho Fan. So, sa Cantonese is Chow Ho Fan. So, magluluto ako ng Cantonese rice noodles. So, ito yung Tau Lei Ho Fan. Cantonese rice noodles. And this is marinated minced pork, garlic, and kawong sa Cantonese. In English is Chinese chives, dark soy sauce, and this one is broth. Ayan guys, isa lang natin ang minced pork, marinated minced pork. Gusto ni Lola na luto ito. So, patagalin natin ito sa paggigisa. Ayan guys, toasted na ang minced pork. So, ilalagay ko na ang Chinese chives, kawong. Ayan, para lumambot yung yellow Chinese chive, lagyan ko ng broth. Ayan. So, ito, pinapalambot ko lang ang Chinese yellow chives. Ayan, pinapalambot ko lang ang Chinese yellow chives, pati yung minced pork, kasi gusto ni Lola ng malambot ang karne. Pati yung gulay na Chinese yellow chives. Kailangan malambot siya bago natin ilagay yung white noodles. Ano malambot na, ayan, lagay na natin yung noodles. Tapos lagay natin itong dark soy sauce.
Add 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce to make the noodles darker.
Konting sweet soy sauce.
Add drops of sweet soy sauce.
So yan na guys, luto na ang ating Chow Ho Fan. Yan, yung favorite ni Lola.
This stir-fried Cantonese rice noodles is popular in Chinese food. If you like this recipe, like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel Simple Western and Asian Menu. Thank you for watching my cooking videos. More recipes of how to cook noodles, just check in description box. Thank you.